Mr. Benny and the Two Different Shoes. Mr. Benny lived in a quiet town. Every day was the same. He woke up at 7 o'clock, fed his smart chicken Lola, and drank tea in the garden. But one day, he had a big idea. "I will become famous on the internet," he said proudly. Lola looked at him. Cluck. Mr. Benny borrowed his nephew's phone and stood in the garden. "Hello, everyone," he said to the camera. "Today my chicken Lola will teach you English." Lola was eating corn. "Lola, please read this word." "Happy," he said. Lola walked slowly to the book and pecked the word happy. Mr. Benny smiled. "This is perfect," he said. Then suddenly, while he was moving backward, he stepped into a bucket of water. Splash! He fell down. His hat flew into the air. The phone was still recording. For a moment he sat in the bucket, wet and surprised. Then he looked at the camera and said seriously, "This is today's new word. Surprise." Lola pecked the word surprise. The timing was perfect. Mr. Benny uploaded the video. He thought maybe 5 people would watch it. The next morning, his phone was making many sounds. Ping, ping, ping. The video had 20,000 views. People loved his fall. They loved Lola. They thought he was very funny. "Lola," he said excitedly, "we are famous." Lola continued eating. A week later, Mr. Benny was filming in the park. Some teenagers were laughing and pointing at him. "Look, it's the Chicken Man," one boy shouted. Mr. Benny smiled proudly. Then he looked down. He was wearing 2 different shoes. One was black, one was red. He felt embarrassed, very embarrassed. That evening he said to Lola, "I think I forgot something. I wanted to look perfect." Lola pecked a word in his notebook. Mistake. Mr. Benny smiled. "You're right. Mistakes are okay." The next day he made a new video. "Hello," he said calmly. "Yesterday I wore 2 different shoes. It was a mistake, but mistakes help us learn." He showed his shoes again. Lola pecked the word mistake. People loved the video even more. They wrote kind comments. "You are real." Thank you for being honest. Mr. Benny was not the biggest internet star, but he was happy, and sometimes that is better. Lola agreed. Cluck.